Analytics. Okay. Hello, good afternoon, my dear children. How are you all? Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Lane. Welcome to the session. Please confirm, can you all able to hear me and you can see me, right? Welcome to one more session. Today we are going to discuss with D and F block elements. In this D and F block elements is very important topic, and you can expect one question from NEET examination. Get ready, we are going to discuss the questions related to NCERT NEET based questions, and we will be discussing multiple choice question, and we will be connecting with the NCERT, and the concept revision will be there. IIT and G preparation and GK facts. Namaskar, and you always keep your name like that, IIT G preparation and GK facts. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, anyways, we'll go for actual formalities before going for the session. And for the sake of motivation, I just want to give you what Infinity Learn is doing for the students preparing for competitive examinations. Today we discuss about the NEET aspirants. Ashrita, Himadjuti, Akhil Verma and Satyanarayan. There are 4 students. I just want to give as an example to motivate the students. Hi, Jesus glory, good afternoon. And Ashrita, you just see 2 scores are seen here. One is 2023 score, another one is 2024 score. In 2023, Ashrita got just 310 marks, and Hemajyoti also got 310 marks, but you can just compare in 2024, they have taken classes from Infinity Learn and got 661 marks and 652 marks. You can see the score is almost doubled. And you can see Akhil Verma, who got just 313 marks and 658 marks in 2024. And there is an increment of 345 marks. Wonderful. And Satyanarayan got 330 marks and got 650 marks, and there is a rise of 320 marks. So itra mark बढ़ गया, देखो, they got almost double the score, more than double the score. How it is possible? Yes, that is the academic strength from the Infinity Learn. We are the people of eminent chemistry and physics and biology faculties, trained the students in such a way that they got the score like this. And believe it, not only these 4 students, but also hundreds of students got the score like this. And you will be the next, because you are attending the classes with Infinity Learn. And also, for that you need to have a determination. With that determination, crack NEET. You all enjoy the classes on YouTube platform. It's full free of cost. And like these sessions, share with your friends and subscribe to Infinity Learn YouTube channel. And also we are having an Infinity Learn app. In this Infinity Learn app, we have various facilities like whatever the course, it could be G or NEET, whatever. We have live classes in that, mock test and create your own test, and 24/7 doubt resolution systems. And also we are on social media. Infinity Learn is there on the Instagram, YouTube channel, Facebook and Telegram. In that Infinity Learn Telegram channel, we will be having amazing things for you. And description box, the link is there, you all just click it and you can join it. Join in Telegram channel with Infinity Learn NEET, and you will be having daily quizzes and session schedules. हर दिन जो क्लास हो रहे हैं, एक क्लास का शेड्यूल्स आपका टेलीग्राम चैनल में दिया जाएगा. And daily frequent assignments and many more things you can get it. It is almost like a coaching institute running on Telegram channel. Can you believe it? And also, before going for the actual content of this today's class, we will discuss some more things about Infinity Learn Artificial Intelligence Driven Academic Program, India's first education system, that is AI powered education system, is given by Infinity Learn. AI आजकल बहुत हलचल चल रहे हैं, पहले बार हमारा Infinity Learn में है. And this journey of this NEET examination preparation and AI भी जुड़ाई करेगा. आपका फर्स्ट गोल सेटिंग, and set your academic and skill enhancement goals. And also you can see live classes with eminent expert faculties, and also test paper analysis. हर टेस्ट का पेपर जो क्वेश्चंस है, क्वेश्चंस कौन सा टॉपिक्स के रिलेटेड है, and when you attempt that particular question, correct or wrong, it is AI is going to analyze those statistics and it is going to give you output. This is your strength area, this is your weak area, and that gives you a lot of importance and your boosting, and gives an appropriate guidelines for your actual preparation. And self study, yes, online education is almost self study, and for that conceptual videos, pre-recorded videos are there, mock test and practice test भी है, and flashcards. अब जो भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं ना, ये पढ़ाई का तुरंत रिविजन करने के लिए आपका चीट शीट फ्लैश कार्ड्स तैयार रखना चाहिए. So these flash cards are available, and also you will be having 24/7 doubt resolution. Hi Ashwini, how are you? Ashwini, you are my previous student, right? You used to attend my classes on YouTube platform on a regular basis. I remember you. Zainab, Fatima, you also. It's an awesome experience with me, and the students who are actually attending previous classes on the YouTube platform are regularly coming now. That's good. Sandeep Goyal, you are also. How are you all, my dear students? Sandeep, Jainab, Ashwin, good. And let us continue. And whatever the doubts, anytime, कोई doubt है, कभी भी, your doubt is going to be a single click away. Can you believe it? It is true. And also, we will be having an important slide here. India's largest scholarship examination, that score examination, is on, and in the description box link is there. You all click onto that and you enroll for the score examination. This score examination can be written by any student. Hi Jainab, Ikras, good afternoon. Ikras, good afternoon. Jainab, that's good. Ashwini, Gohane, fine, thank you. And also, and India's largest scholarship exam. Why I said it is India's largest scholarship exam? Because this scholarship exam can give you a scholarship of worth 1 crore rupees for the student communities. And also you will be having a gift of a study laptop bhi hai, study setup bhi hai, and educational allowances, and up to 100% scholarship according to the performance that you have. And also this is purely online examination. You may be related to Infinity Learn or you may not be related to Infinity Learn, तभी आप ये score exam attempt कर सकते हैं. And this is purely online. आप घर में बैठ के कर सकते हैं. You can sit at home and you can do it. And why late? Description box link is there. You all just click it and you just enroll, and you can do awesome journey with Infinity Learn by using score examination का scholarship उठाने के फायदा उठाने के कोशिश करो. Okay, so get ready everybody in the chat box. Use chat box generously. MCQ आने वाले हैं और एक स्लाइड बचा है ये MCQ पेश करने के पहले. और एक NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack is available. And what is this NEET Test Series Pack? 27 AITS examination which contain 13 unit and 4 part test and 10 grand test based on NEET examination pattern ICRAS. Okay, 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test bhi hai, and 25 NEET topic wise PYQs, and also 3 PCB books with video solutions on the app. Okay, and detailed solutions and performance reports. And when you prepare something, the result has to be properly analyzed to give the best result, right? Otherwise you will be completely on directionless. And one more important thing, the benchmarking of your result, the test is along with the Sri Chaitanya students for appropriate rank analytics and rank prediction beam. And please enroll. This cost, it wasn't 5,999, and Infinity Learn is giving a special discount, 50% limited period offer, that is YouTube 50. If you apply this coupon code YouTube 50 off, then you are going to get it for 2,999. और इतना सस्ता कौन देगा? You please click onto the link. It is available in the description box and purchase test series pack. Okay, why does plus 2 oxidation state become increasing stability moving and group 12 zinc, cadmium and mercury? Definitely Ashwini, definitely I am going to explain you that. Moving down the group, because of the involvement of the F orbitals, zinc, cadmium, mercury, and due to involvement of F orbital, the screening effect comes into the picture. Because of the screening effect, it is going to destabilize its plus 2 oxidation state because of this polarity. Okay, small size polarity is more, large size polarity is less. That's the reason why oxidation state plus 2 becomes increasing down the group. Okay, Nadeem Khan, hello. So let's start today's class of interest is multiple choice multiple choice questions that are there in the D and F block elements. Hope you understand, Ashwini. Nadeem Khan, let us talk about this. FeSO4 solution gives a brown color ring in testing nitrate or nitrites. The brown ring is. So you can just click, you can just ping your answer in the chat box that actually what is going to happen. Thank you very much. Thank you for your compliments. Okay, keep asking doubts. Any doubt related to the academics is going to be answered and it is going to be distributed among the students. And get ready, and I am expecting an answer and I am going to explain the concept behind that. Okay, who is going to give this? चलो चलते रहो, आंसर चार्ट बॉक्स में फटाफट देना, चार्ट बॉक्स में फटाफट देना. अरे, so what is actually this brown ring test? This test is used to confirm either nitrate and nitrites. So what is this? Nitrate has the ability to oxidize Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So that makes the brown ring test. So actually this nitrate salt is taken in a test tube. To that freshly prepared FeSO4 is added and mix well, and you are going to add concentrated H2SO4 slowly along the sides of the test tube. When you add concentrated H2SO4, you are going to get a brown color ring observed at the junction of the two layers. Okay, at the junction of two layers. So this is called brown ring. So the brown ring complex is going to be nitrosoferrous sulfate, and the complex is going to be FeH2O5 NO and NO2 plus. Okay, that is called nitrosoferrous sulfate. Answer is going to be nitrosoferrous sulfate. Option A is the correct answer. Brown ring test. Nadeem Khan, yes, it is called as a brown ring test. So we are connected with this D and F block elements along with qualitative analysis, along with the other P block and elements, right? So mix matching questions, हमेशा mix matching questions आते हैं इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में. ओके, और एक क्वेश्चन देना चाहता हूं आपको. निकल 2 प्लेस इन ट्रेसेस कैन बी टेस्टेड बाय यूजिंग ए, फिर भी ये क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस का कनेक्शन है. डाइमिथाइल ग्लाइऑक्साइम इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So nickel is going to give you a coloration with dimethyl glyoxime. So to form this DMG twice. So dimethyl glyoxime complex is going to be formed. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. That's good, that's good. So थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ना. And इसका आंसर क्या होगा? B, dimethyl glyoxime and chromium 2 dichromate 2 minus, pH is said to be X, and it is going to give you CRO for 2 minus, pH is equal to Y. Again you are going to get CRO 7 2 minus, and X and Y. इसका pH क्या होगा? इसका pH क्या होगा? जल्दी फटाफट दे. फटाफट से जल्दी, make it fast. So dichromate, you see, dichromate, it is potassium dichromate. Cr2O7 2 minus, it is orange in color. It is actually orange in color. If you add a base to it, if you add a base to it, when you add a base, you are going to say pH is greater than 7. So what happened? pH is going to be greater than 7. It is going to give you yellow color CrO4 2 minus. It is yellow in color. It is yellow in color. And previously it was orange in color. When you add little bit of an acid to it, so reaction is going to be reversed. So pH is going to be less than 7. I mean to say, in acidic media, it is orange color dichromate. In the basic media, alkaline media, it is going to be yellow in color and Cr2O7 2 minus, O4 2 minus, chromate ion. है ना? That's good, Jainab. You want to say A? Okay. So the answer is going to be, one is an alkaline, another one is an acidic media. Alkaline media and acidic media. It is going to be alkaline media. pH is going to be greater than 7, and here it is going to, pH is going to be less than 7. Are you getting or not clear? Just Zainab, Fatima, we know the answer, but we are not in a position to clearly tick the answer. Majority of the NEET examination students are doing mistakes like that. You correct yourself, Zainab, and you just connect with us, and please like our session and share with your friends, because your friends also should get benefit of it, and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel, and learn with us and enjoy the classes. Okay, Sandeep, Nadeem Khan, good. Ashwini, hope you are understanding. That's good, right? Let's take the dilute alkaline solution of MnO4 minus. MnO4 minus. In the alkaline medium, permanganate solution, MnO4 minus in the alkaline medium, it is going to give MnO2. So प्लस 7 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट जो है, ये वाला प्लस 7 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट था, अभी प्लस 4 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट बन गया. सो दैट चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर कितना होगा? N इज इक्वल टू 3. इक्विवेलेंट वेट ऑफ KMnO4 याद है? KMnO4 इज इक्वल टू m/3. ये दूसरा कहानी है, लेकिन हमारा जो ये क्वेश्चन का हिसाब से ये आंसर MnO2 होगा. आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी MnO2, ऑप्शन बी. दैट्स गुड, वेरी नाइस आंसर. दैट्स द स्पिरिट एवरीबॉडी शुड कीप विथ यू. Next, Cl2 gas is obtained by various reactions, but not by. What are the type of reactions here? You just tell me. You just tell me. Zainab, answer. Zainab, answer. So, chlorine gas is obtained when KMnO4 react with concentrated HCl. KCl, K2Cr2O7, MnO2 concentrated HCl, and KClF2. Can't I wait for you? Oh, Sandeep, you kept quiet. Give the answer. Give the answer. Give the answer. I am watching. I am watching everything. Now, the answer is going to be B. Why so? When KMnO4 react with concentrated HCl, you are going to see chlorine gas is evolved. Yes, chlorine gas is evolved. है ना? Chlorine gas is evolved. Whenever KCl react with K2Cr2O7 concentrated H2SO4 is going to give a deep red color chromyl chloride is formed. Here chlorine gas is not obtained. Sorry. Here, yeah, chromyl chloride is obtained. And MnO2 plus concentrated HCl, you are going to get MnCl2 and chlorine gas is obtained. Here also chlorine gas is obtained. That's good, nice. And KClF2 in the aqueous media, you are going to get Kf and Cl2 gas is obtained. Therefore, I just want to give you option B is the correct answer. Zainab is given the correct answer. Then what about Ashwini, Nadim Khan, Ashwini, come on. And one more question, Fe is made passive by. Whenever acid in contact with a metal, it is going to react. But Fe is made passive means what is the acid do not react with iron. That's the one. That's the one. Perfect. Actually, HNO3 do not react with iron. Why there is no reaction with iron? Because there is a oxide layer that is formed. That's the reason why I just want to say aqua regia is the concentrated HCl plus concentrated HNO3 in 3:1 ratio. That is what you can say, it is an aqua regia. उसमें HNO3 है. Due to HNO3, iron do not react. Fine. Okay. Any doubts, my dear children? You please come out. Okay. Next, let us talk about answer is going to be C. That's good. That's good answer. Wonderful answer. So, squeezing the marks in the inorganic chemistry is this much simple. You please follow our classes. Everybody please take a pen and paper and you just extract these concepts and make a note of it. That gives you a lot of support, you guys. And also, let's continue. Magnetic moments of chromium, manganese plus and iron 2 plus are XYZ. Then they are in the order of. For that, हम क्या करना चाहता हूँ? So, first of all, let me give you the explanation for this. Magnetic moment is equal to root over n into n plus 2. Bohr magneton is the unit, Bm is the unit. So, magnetic moment is directly proportional to n. What is n over here? N stands here, number of unpaired electrons. When you talk about this number of unpaired electrons, let's talk about the chromium. Chromium is going to be argon 3d5 4s1, n is equal to 6. When you talk about manganese plus, manganese, it is going to be argon 3d5 4s2 is a manganese, and manganese plus it is going to be 4s1, n is equal to 6. And Fa2 plus, that is going to be argon 3d6 4s0, n is equal to 4. 3d6 means 1 is the pair of electron, right? So that unpaired electrons, manganese plus and the chromium are equal and they are greater than iron 2 plus. So that is the answer. You can say the answer for this question is Zainab. The answer for the question is going to be C. X is equal to Y and they are equal greater than Z, right? Understand, Zainab? Zainab and Nadeem Khan, Ashwini, and who is that actual name? IITG preparation and GK facts. So many times I have seen this name. Okay, you just say the actual name so that it is comfortable for me to call you instead of say a GK fact. Okay, next question. Let's talk about when H2O2 is added to acidified solution of K2Cr2O7. So what happened? It is going to give you K2Cr2O7 in the presence of concentrated acid react with hydrogen peroxide. You are going to see formation of CrO5. So this CrO5 is written as Cr double bond O, and it has a butterfly like a structure, and this forms a butterfly like structure, chromium peroxide. So CrOO2 twice is formed, a deep blue color violet color compound is formed. So this is added with little bit of ether, and it is a test for hydrogen peroxide. Okay, it's a test for hydrogen peroxide. Okay, very good. And answer C is the appropriate answer for this question. Very good. And one more thing here, maximum oxidation is shown by all the general properties are covered in this session along with the questions. In the group of, in this first transition series, in the 3D series, maximum oxidation state is shown by +7, that is manganese. And in the entire periodic table, maximum oxidation state is shown by osmium +8 and ruthenium +8. So that I would say osmium is the correct answer for this question. Osmium is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Okay, next answer is going to be A. Answer is going to be A. AgCl and NaCl are colorless. NaBr, NaI are also colorless, but AgBr, AgI are colored. This is due to Ag plus Cl minus Ag plus Br minus and Ag plus and I minus. So a cation and anion, but the thing is here, as the anion size is little bigger, so there is a polarization over here. According to Fazan rule, it has some covalent character. And also I minus is more polarized than this. Polarizability इसका ज़्यादा है. जहाँ पर polarization is there, यहाँ पर color आने का संभावना है. So that Ag plus polarizes Br minus and I minus. Zainab, it is answer A, not B. Depolarization concept नहीं होगा. Ag plus में unpaired electrons भी नहीं है. Okay, unpaired electrons भी नहीं है. ठीक है. And this is an important concept connected to polarization. Okay, polarization. It is done by a cation on anion. So deformation of an anion by cation is called as a polarization. Yes, Zainab. In that polarizing power is inversely proportional to size of cation. Size of cation. Whereas a polarizability is directly proportional to size of anion. जहाँ पर anion का size बड़ा है उसका polarizability बड़ा है. So that Ag plus polarizes Br minus and I minus, इसका size ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा है, maximum. So the answer for this question is going to be A. So this is what application of the concept directly on the multiple choice questions. Everybody focus on that. And RH is a MnO4 minus is intense pink color, though Mn has +7 oxidation state, due to what is that? +7 oxidation state has no unpaired electron. If we all acquainted with one concept, if an electronic configuration has unpaired electron, it is colored and paramagnetic. But if you talk about the Mn +7 oxidation state, it has no color, it has no unpaired electron, but it is intense pink color. The appropriate answer for this particular question, can somebody give me the answer? Somebody give me the answer? Questions, rapid fire questions, enjoying the questions. So this is due to charge transfer phenomena, because the charge transfer happens when oxygen gives the electrons to manganese, making manganese is +6 oxidation state at that instant. That's the reason why they are intense color. Whenever charge transfer phenomena is there, they have the intense color, right? Mr. Sharma, in the P block, should we have to prepare compounds part? Absolutely not. Utsab Sharma, it is not required. Only general properties are required. Success mindset. Your mindset is always towards success. You know? So welcome to the session. Be interactive. Zainab, you given the absolutely correct answer. I appreciate your answer. Success mindset. That student asli naam kya beta iska? Your answer is also appreciated. And which one of the following ionic species will impart color in aqueous solution? I can say one thing. Okay, right. Who is going to give the answer for this? Write the electronic configuration. That's it. In the electronic configuration, if you have unpaired electron in it, it is colored. If the unpaired electron is not there, it is colorless. And my answer is going to be chromium, copper 2+ beta. Okay, so copper 2+ make it, impart color. Okay. You see, copper, argon, 3d10, 4s0, no unpaired electron. Zinc, argon, 3d10, 4s0, whereas a chromium, argon, 3d5, 4s1, 3 electrons are lost. Therefore, it is going to be argon, 3d, 4s0 and 3d3. It is chromium 3+ का है. It is chromium ground state का है. That is the reason why it is colored. It has color. Titanium, it is 3d0, 4s0. Okay. Understand, its answer is going to be chromium 3+. Jainab, Are, Hetal, Surana. Right. Let's do one more question. So this is actually a typical question that you are going to expect in NEET examination. Which of the following paramagnetic, which of the following is having color, which of the following set is not having a color, kind of multiple choice questions. You can see it is purely NEET NCERT based. You please follow NCERT book, keep NCERT book with you while you are preparing, and a book, notebook and a pen and a paper, and keep writing when you attend the sessions with us. And Zainab, can we go ahead with one more question? Ready here? Which one of the following statement is not correct? Wonderful. You read these 4 options first. Read these 4 options first. Lanthanum hydroxide is less basic than lutetium hydroxide. How it is possible? Across the lanthanide series, the basic strength decreases due to lanthanide contraction. In lanthanide series, ionic radius of Ln3+ ion decreases. Of course, Ln, yes, that's a show blue color, right? Of course, ethyl. And lanthanum is actually an element of transition series rather than lanthanide. It is true statement. Atomic radius of zirconium, hafnium are same because of the lanthanide contraction. That's the reason why ये सही बात है, सही बात है, सही बात है, ये सही बात नहीं है, गलत बात दिया. लैंथनाइड कंट्रैक्शन का हिसाब से लैंथनाइड सीरीज में हाइड्रोक्सी basic strength decreases. That is the consequence of the long thread contraction. Zainab Fatima, are you getting or not? Clear? Okay, Hital Shuranam, hope you are enjoying the questions. Huh? Great. And और एक question है, which of the following characteristics of the transition metal is associated with this catalytic activity? Transition metals act as a catalyst due to presence of vacant orbitals and vacant d orbitals and variable valencies and variable oxidation state. Yes, that's the reason why I would say variable oxidation state. Three reasons का है, and one is due to presence of vacant d orbitals, another one is oxidation state variability or variability in valences. Anything you can check the answer, right? Very good. When copper is placed in the atmosphere of sufficient time, a green crust is formed on its surface. That's why we all love to drink in copper vessel, but the copper has kind of a green color layer on it. Why so? Due to presence of basic copper carbonate. This is what you say, basic copper carbonate, that is copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Hital, copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Fine. And when ammonium hydroxide is added to the copper sulfate solution, the blue color solution is obtained with the formation of so we are connecting to P block, we are connecting to analytical, we are connecting to the complexes in the D block elements. You have copper sulfate. When you add with ammonium hydroxide means ammonia aqueous, okay, you are going to see the formation of a deep blue color complex, okay, that is CuNH3 4 2 plus. This is a deep blue color complex, and it is actually a pale blue. Zainab, yes. Zico channel, who is that? I don't understand अब क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ. Okay, so it is going to form tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. Okay, and my question is here, what is the hybridization of the copper here? What is the hybridization of the copper here? DsP2 square planar. And it is paramagnetic. It is going to be paramagnetic. Understand? Janab? And आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next, one more question. Answer is going to be C here. And the hydroxide which is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide is. The hydroxide which is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. Zainab, yes. Zinc 2 plus is going to react with the sodium hydroxide. You are going to get a zinc hydroxide. It is a white color precipitate. If you add excess sodium hydroxide to it, Na2 ZnO3, it is soluble. That is the reason why zinc hydroxide is soluble in excess sodium hydroxide, we can say. Aluminum and zinc hydroxides are soluble in excess alkali, mind it. Right? One more thing I just want to mention here. Answer is going to be D. The reaction HgCl2 plus potassium iodide gives rise A plus KCl. What could be the answer for this? The compound A is. The compound A is. अरे ये इन्वॉल्व जो भी आंसर आपको सही होगा गलत हो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. व्हाट अबाउट ये कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड इज नॉट सॉल्युबल, इट इज सॉल्युबल इन अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. हॉट हेतल सुराना. ओके, कमिंग टू दिस आंसर. HgCl2 react with potassium iodide aqueous, you are going to give rise potassium chloride plus K2HgI4. You know K2HgI4 in the presence of alkaline media, it is said to be Nessler's reagent. It is going to be Nessler's reagent. This Nessler's reagent, what is the use of Nessler's reagent? Somebody help me. Somebody help me. What is the use of Nessler's reagent? Nessler's reagent is used to detect ammonium ion. So you take the ammonium ion, any ammonium salt, you add Nessler's reagent, it is going to be in orange coloration can be seen. The formation of this orange coloration, Jainab, it is confirming that ammonium plus ion, this is a very, very popular reaction in the qualitative analysis in the practical chemistry. Oh, right. Wonderful. Hope you are enjoying. To detect the presence of ammonia or ammonium compounds in the solution, of course that is true. That is true. How do you feel the questions? Hetal, Surana and Jainab Fatima, just give me a small feedback in the chat box itself. You enjoy the class? Okay. Answer is going to be K2HgI4. And the radius of lanthanum 3 plus is 1.06. Which one of the following is values will be the closest to the radius of lutetium 2 plus? You just check. You just check. Very nice. That's good. Thank you for your compliments. Thank you for your compliments. Expecting answer here? Good, Jainab Fatima. And here there is a concept called lanthanide contraction. According to lanthanide contraction, the atomic size of cerium to lutetium, the atomic size gradually decreases. Steady decrease in the size of the atomic size is known as, you see, the decrease is too steady, that is called as lanthanide contraction. According to lanthanide contraction, if it is given 1.06 angstrom units, and for this lutetium 2 plus is 3 plus is going to be anything less than that, you can see 1.6 is greater, 1.4 is greater. So I am going to say approximately roughly it is going to be 0.85 due to lengthened contraction. Then tell me what is the reason behind the lengthened contraction in the chart box. Okay, due to poor screening effect of the F orbitals. And one more, which oxide of manganese is amphoteric? A metal, okay, the metal forms various oxides, oxide of higher oxidation state, oxide of lower oxidation state, and oxide of intermediate oxidation state. So that is the criteria you have to take. So the metal in its highest oxidation state, it is going to be acidic, and at lower oxidation state it is going to be basic, and it is going to be intermediate oxidation state is going to be amphoteric. This is the trick you need to know. You can apply this trick to any other metal oxides. So when you talk about manganese, manganese oxide is showing +2, here it is going to be +4, and it is going to be, what is this, +7 oxidation state, it is going to be +3 oxidation state. In that MnO2 is going to be intermediate oxidation state, and that intermediate oxidation state is going to be amphoteric. Like that, so many questions that you can do, ocean of questions from the NCERT based NEET examination questions. Hope you all enjoyed this session, and everybody please follow this kind of sessions, and please like and share and subscribe these sessions, and join in Telegram channel. You will come to know when the sessions are going to be scheduled and all. Every day my sessions are there. You will just learn very good things from our Infinity Learn channel. Okay, hope you enjoyed my session. Thank you very much. Signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Learn. Thank you very much. God bless you all.